So I am some sort of hat collector. I think I may have, I want to say probably like more than 100 hats. So I think I am a hat collector. Okay. Is that or I have a problem? One of those. But what I don't like about how many hats I have is the clutter. So that's why I got this on which one of them is actually installed already. And the other one I let it loose just to show you how to put it. Just to put them together, you're going to take you probably 5 minutes each one of this. You put just a few screws, you put the hook that goes inside of the actual door, and you have kind of like a suction cup with a 3M adhesive that you're gonna stick to the door. You can put it in metal, wood, plastic, whatever you want, and you can put it on the inside or on the outside. In this case, I put it on the outside because I like to have access to all my hats, which I have like scattered all over the place. And I do prefer this one besides the other one that is kind of like elastic one or with a rope. This one is much better, and I'm probably gonna change this one to the other one I have on my closet, which is the one that is elastic with a rope with the plastic hooks. This one comes with 4 hooks right here. Actually, let me take you in a close-up. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this one off right here as well. So we peel this plastic off the surface, we take it off. I'm gonna put it in the pocket right now, and then you gotta make sure to apply some pressure up to the bottom, so make sure that it stays right in position. Once it's done, you're all set. You have that suction cup over there ready to go. It won't move much, which I think it is really great. And then of course you're gonna have the 4 metal hooks, which a really nice separation in between all of them, so you can keep hanging all those hats without having that kind of like I don't want to say like clutter or something like that. They're top on each other. So you're gonna see 4 hooks, and you can put up to 5 or 4 in each one of the hooks. What I'm gonna do is, just for now, I'm gonna actually just put about, I wanna say like 2 on each. I'm not gonna put more than that, just because I don't want them to have so many hats and, you know, just having something that is gonna, it's not gonna look like pretty good on this side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put 2 of them in each ones, or the ones that I use the most. I think I'm gonna just put 2 in here for each ones, and those are gonna be the ones that I use the most. But you can put many, and I want to say up to 40, probably up to 40 hats in this entire 2 rack that also comes in 3. Yeah, that's basically how you do it. Perfectly easy to install. You're not gonna have any issues. I'm actually gonna put 3. Now I say 2, but I'm gonna put 3 right here. I think up to 3 is actually pretty cool, and you're not gonna find any difference with that. Maybe you're gonna put 2 or 3. I don't know just yet, but it looks fantastic. I have to say, really good with the metal, easy to install, and of course it's gonna remove all that clutter that you have with all those hats. Totally recommend it 100%. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.